Today I am going to discuss how to define graphene in CST for terahertz antennas. So we go to new template and then microwave and RF optical. Here we are targeting antennas, planar antennas, since patch is a planar antenna. Next, time domain. The dimension will be in micrometer, frequency is in terahertz, frequency range. We are targeting the frequency of 0.1 to 3 terahertz. We can change it as per our requirements. Next, finish. So these was the initial setting for a typical terahertz antenna in sub millimeter range, means from 0.1 to 10 terahertz or terahertz band, it's also called a terahertz band. Now to add graphene in CST, we go to macros, and here in macros we have a material section. In this material section we have this section called create graphene material for optical applications. So we click here. So now we get this window of define graphene material. We can give any name to it. Let it remain graphene. Temperature should be the room temperature. So we change it to 300 Kelvin. Chemical potential and relaxation time are two important parameters on which graphene's properties are dependent. So we can change these values. Typically, graphene's chemical potential should be around 0.5 electron volt. We can change it as per our requirement. It can be varied from 0 to any value like 0.115. Chemical potential is something which is generated uh, because of applying electrostatic gating in graphenes using DC gating pads. And relaxation time is in picoseconds, so we'll be taking it as 1 picosecond. Now the other parameter is thickness. Graphene is a single atom thick sheet of carbon in honeycomb lattice structure. So the thickness of a single atom is around zero point 0.5 nanometer, but we'll be taking it for our design the thickness of graphene sheet as 10 nanometer. We can change it to 5 nanometer also, but we are keeping it as 10 nanometer. We can see here that the thickness is for EPS only. Here EPS means epsilon, so the thickness is for graphene epsilon. If when we'll click OK on this window, it will generate two materials. One will be graphene, the other will be graphene epsilon, EPS. So the graphene will be a material with no thickness, right? It will be a 2D material, while the graphene epsilon will be a material with thickness 10 nanometer or any thickness we want here. Okay. Then the minimum frequency is taken as zero point 0.1 terahertz. Maximum frequency is the frequency we want, right? So here for this simulation, we are targeting the maximum frequency of 3 terahertz. So we change it to 3. Okay. Now as we can see it here in the parameter list, the parameters are like graphene's thickness, graphene's temperature are added. We can change the values of these parameters, right? So if we want to modify the properties of graphene material, so we can just click on these values and change it accordingly. If we want to add another graphene material, so we can just follow the same process again, going to macros and then materials and to create graphene material, and then we can give this another name such as graphene 1. So this is how another graphene material with different properties. We can change these values also. So different graphene material with different properties can also be defined here. Now we can see here in material section we have graphene and graphene epsilon. Here graphene epsilon is having a thickness of 10 nanometer as we have defined, while graphene is having zero thickness. Now if we want a sheet of graphene, let's model it. Take a brick. Let's suppose we are taking its dimension as minus 20 to 20 micrometer in x as well as y direction, while the thickness we are taking it as h, where h is what, 10 nanometer. We click on preview, it will ask what is the value of h. Since the range is in micrometer, okay, the dimension is in micrometer, so it took h as 10 micrometer, not 10 nanometer. But our thickness of graphene was 10 nanometer, so we can change the value of h to 0.01, and 0.01 means 10 nanometer, 0.01 micrometer is 10 nanometer. Now we click somewhere else, it has changed. Now the value of h is 0.01. And here in material section we can see it is showing graphene EPS as we have given a thickness. Still we can change it to graphene. We can take a material as graphene, but it doesn't have any thickness. So this is a kind of contradiction, that for a material which is having thickness, we are assigning a material which is having no thickness. So that's why we should keep it as graphene EPS. Let's have a preview. You can see it. So this is how we make graphene in- for a terahertz antenna. Thanks for watching.